Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I am going to show you how to see all saved passwords on this device. So in this device, you will get one inbuilt application password. If you go to the app library, just search here password. You can see the application. Just open this one. Enter your screen passcode. Okay, so here you can see one option. If you tap on the option all, if you saved any password, you can see all the passwords you can see here. So now only I set up this application. That's why you can see it is 0 numbers. So I'm going to reset my Wi-Fi just simply. I'm going to forget this one. Forget this network. Now again I am going to connect this one. Okay. Now it is connected. If you go to your password applications, now you can see under this Wi-Fi, if you tap on this one, you can see that Wi-Fi password. You can see. So simply in this way, we can see all saved passwords on this device. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye-bye.